you ever tried to visualize your dream life, but felt like nothing was happening? Like the universe was just ignoring you? Well, there might be a reason for that. Visualization is powerful, but there are techniques most people don't understand correctly and pitfalls they never learn. In this video, we're going to change that. We'll uncover the secrets of effective visualization and the common mistakes that can sabotage your results. So, if you're ready to finally make your dreams a reality, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing insight. According to Joseph Murphy, our subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in manifesting our desires. The beliefs, thoughts, and opinions that we impress upon our subconscious mind are ultimately made manifest in our experiences. Therefore, it is essential to direct our mind towards what we want rather than focusing on what we lack. Visualization serves as a powerful tool to train and stretch our minds, allowing us to make room for the manifestation of our deepest desires. To understand the significance of visualization, let us look at the example of Michelangelo, one of the greatest sculptors in history. Michelangelo once said, "I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free." His ability to visualize his creations before bringing them to life is a testament to the power of mental imagery. By immersing himself in the state of having his desired sculpture, he activated his mind to work on his behalf. This creative visualization allowed him to birth genius creations from his subconscious mind. When we visualize our desires, we are effectively living in the state of having them. By creating mental images of our desired reality, we immerse ourselves in the experience and activate our subconscious mind. For example, let's consider a woman who wants to start a new life in a small village outside the city and write a novel. By visualizing herself sitting at a wooden desk, drinking a cup of hot coffee, and writing the final pages of her book, she taps into the emotions of fulfillment, contentment, and peace. This not only impacts her imagination, but also affects her reality. With each repetition of this imagined scene, her subconscious mind begins to feel as though it is real. The same feelings and emotions associated with the visualization are experienced as if they were happening in reality. By impressing the subconscious mind with this recurring mental image, resources and opportunities begin to become available, aligning her path with her desired reality. Repetition is a key aspect of visualization. By repeating the same imagined scene, we impress our subconscious mind and reprogram it to align with our desires. The more we visualize and experience the associated emotions, the stronger the impression becomes. This technique allows us to harness the full potential of our mind, shaping the course of our lives towards our desired outcomes. One highly effective method of using visualization in manifesting our dreams is through the creation of a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images, words, and symbols that represent our goals and aspirations. By regularly looking at our vision board and immersing ourselves in the feelings and emotions associated with our desired outcomes, we can activate the power of visualization and enhance our manifestation triggers. What makes visualization so powerful is the fact that our subconscious mind cannot distinguish between imagination and reality. When we imagine a specific scenario or outcome, our subconscious mind produces the same emotions and feelings that it would in a real-life situation. According to Joseph Murphy, the brain consists of two parts: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is responsible for generating emotions and feelings, which in turn affect our attitude, behavior, decisions, and actions in our daily lives. However, the subconscious mind lies beneath the conscious mind and cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. It simply receives directions from the conscious mind in the form of thoughts and produces the relevant emotions or feeling. Whatever the conscious mind sends to the subconscious mind, it accepts without argument and considers it real. Therefore, When we play out a scene in our conscious mind, our subconscious mind accepts it as reality and triggers the corresponding emotions and feelings. Additionally, our mind has a natural tendency to support our beliefs in order to strengthen them. This tendency leads us to circumstances and situations that align with our beliefs. For example, if we constantly imagine and deeply feel ourselves achieving a certain goal, circumstances will naturally lead us to experience it in reality. Our subconscious mind will shape our thoughts, actions, and opportunities to align with our beliefs and bring our desires to life. Furthermore, we tend to surround ourselves with people who are similar to us and think like us. This is a natural inclination that allows us to feel comfortable and supported in our beliefs and desires. As a result, our thoughts and beliefs become real through visualization and manifestation techniques. Dr. David Hamilton, a pharmaceutical scientist and author, has studied the link between imagination and reality. He emphasizes the importance of deep feelings in manifesting desired outcomes. Let's now explore some more visualization techniques recommended by renowned self-development teachers like Joseph Murphy. One effective method is to meditate on the desired condition or outcome. Dr. Wayne Dyer, an internationally renowned author and speaker, suggests continuously contemplating oneself as being surrounded by the conditions one wishes to produce. This practice helps to align thoughts, emotions, and actions with the desired outcome. This can be done by the use of affirmations. Affirmations are phrases or even single words that express a desired outcome. For example, if someone wants to become a well-known author, they can write an affirmation like, "I am an internationally recognized author" on a note card and focus on it for 2 to 5 minutes in the morning. The effectiveness of practicing affirmations varies from person to person and depends on various factors. According to Joseph Murphy, the duration of practicing affirmations depends on the individual's desires, beliefs, emotions, and feeling. The more deeply one feels their desire with strong and positive emotions, the more clearly they can visualize it, and the more likely it is to become their reality. Another visualization technique is the mental movie technique, which is famously advocated by Joseph Murphy. This technique involves creating a mental scene that suggests what will happen when the desired outcome is manifested, or how it will be manifested. By repeatedly imagining and visualizing this scene with strong emotions, as if it is happening in reality, the subconscious mind is programmed to bring it to fruition. Joseph Murphy suggests practicing this technique in the morning upon waking up and at night before going to bed. The more one practices this technique, the more the scene feels real, and eventually they start living it, leading them towards situations where their desires manifest in reality. Friends, it is important to note that simply visualizing alone may not guarantee success. Many people complain that visualizations don't work, and there are reasons why these techniques could potentially fail. One common reason is a lack of confidence and putting in too much effort. Throughout his teachings, Joseph Murphy emphasizes the phrase, "easy does it." He advises that we only need to ask, trust, and let go in order to receive. The process is meant to be simple and effortless. Negative suggestions and doubts, such as "things are getting worse," "I will get no answer," and "it's hopeless," can easily lead to failure if they are repeated frequently with intensity and emotion. Therefore, it is crucial to reject all negative thoughts that come into our minds about ourselves or our desires and refuse to give them any importance or attention. We must neutralize these negative thoughts as soon as we become aware of them. For example, when we think "I am dumb," we should immediately break the pattern and say "I am so brilliant." It is important to believe in what we are saying to ourselves, as belief plays a significant role in the manifestation process. Believing that we deserve everything we want and more is essential in fulfilling our goals. If we are experiencing problems in any area of our lives, It signifies that our subconscious mind is not fully sure that we will always have plenty of what we want. We must first believe that we deserve everything we desire in order to attract it into our lives. When we believe strongly in our worthiness, what we want automatically gets attracted to us. Remember, visualization isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your mind, emotions, and actions with your goals. By following the principles we've discussed and consistently practicing, you can truly unlock your potential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more empowering content. Let's make those dreams a reality together.